Welcome to another day of Gregs Game Day Cooking. Tonight we're gonna do some chicken wings. Welcome to another day of Gregs Game Day Cooking. Tonight we're gonna do some chicken wings, and I'm gonna show you how to season them and get them battered so you can fry them with it extra crispy and everything else for you. First thing I'm gonna add a little slap your mama on them. I want to put that much because I don't want to make them hot. A little black pepper because I'm using black pepper too. I love this season all. I'm gonna take my hand and show you how to do that. I got hot sauce. Well, look at the hot sauce. The hot sauce is good though for fried chicken. A lot of people don't know about the hot sauce and fried chicken go good together. Got a good flavor to it. The hot sauce. When you cook it with hot sauce anyway, it's got a real good flavor to it. And especially if you're getting ready for a football game, something like that. These wings will cook up fine. Right now I got my eye on low, and I'm gonna season these chicken wings. And I don't know how you all do it. Some people let their wings sit overnight. I'm really not gonna do that because I'm in a hurry tonight. To be honest with you. Normally what I do, I'll let them sit overnight like that, and into the stuff, and then I'll come back the next day and then I'll fry them. Tonight it's holiday season. I'm just trying to cook something tonight for the family, so that's all I'm gonna do. And when you're at the store, get some chicken fry. Normally we get flour and stuff to get our own flour. Chicken fry also have seasoning in it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that right quick. You notice I got 2 bags here. I'm gonna take the chicken and I'm gonna drop the chicken down in here. I'm gonna shake the chicken up in the batter like that. Just like your mama did. We normally used to do an old paper bag. And I'm gonna take this chicken and I'm gonna set it right back in the same container with the seasoning. I'm gonna let that chicken sit there for about 5, maybe 10 minutes. Let this here adhere to the chicken and stay on there. So when you shake it off, it won't go into your grease. Now this chicken has been sitting here for about 10 minutes. We're gonna make some real crispy chicken, y'all. See how I let that get a little wet down there like that? I'm gonna put it right back in the flour. And I don't need this pan here no more once I use it. I don't use it up. Use me till you use me up. In a football game, football players, they be playing for so long and then people be wanting to get rid of them and use them up. They say, well, we don't need you no more because we use you up. So I tell all the football players, get as much as you can get out of them before they get it all out of you. You're playing for yourself. Really, you're not playing for them. You won't look good all the time. But now we're gonna place the chicken down on that batter, on that sheet there, on this cooking sheet. We're gonna let them sit like that for another, possibly about 2-3 minutes. And we'll come back and we'll show you how to fry them.
Welcome to Greg's Halftime Picks of the Week.
All right now, guys, we got the Cotton Bowl on the 31st. Hey, we're going to roll Tide over the Cotton Bowl too, baby. Just like we rolled over Georgia. They say, who put them dogs up? We put them up. Now we out them back cats, we gonna put them in their cages too.
Thank you for watching Greg's Halftime Picks of the Week, sponsored by Greg's Breakfast Bar, where breakfast is just game-changing. Now back to the
Ready
show.
to fry. Where you can find out where your oil, if your oil ready, take a little bit of flour like that, and just see how that started to fry when you put it in there. That's how you know it's ready. You want to shake it, see ain't nothing coming off there? Everything heat to it. One thing about when you're frying food, you don't want to crowd the skillet or your pot or your pan that you're cooking in. I don't like to crowd it, because you do, you won't cook as good and crisp like you want it. And just let the chicken just sit there, and I'll take the top and put it over it like that right there, and I kind of like let it pressure cook. Once you let it pressure cook like that, you might want to take your tongs and after about 5 minutes and turn it over or whatever, and come back. And after that, once you turn it over with your tongs and stuff, come back and it'll be brown, pretty brown. Now I'm gonna take the top off. I'm gonna flip it like that. See how pretty brown it's getting? I'm gonna let it stay just like that right there for another, maybe about 10 to 15 minutes, if that long. It's been frying. This chicken's been frying now for about 20 minutes. This is what it looked like. A lot of times people want to take it out and put it on racks. But we're going to eat this tonight, so they don't get a chance to get too greasy. Here's the results of the fried chicken. Look how good that is. I stuck it in the oven. Look at that crust on there. It's so hot now, y'all. I really can't bite into it right now. I want to bite into it, but it's too hot to even bite into it. See how it's pretty brown? That's double breaded fried chicken. It's on the best in the state of Alabama that you can get. Thank you for tuning in this week. Listen to Greg on cooking tips. I'll show you how to do it the easy way. We can cook chicken wings and we can sing the song chicken wing, chicken wing. But we got some good chicken wings tonight. That's gonna be our dinner. Chicken wings, salad, and probably some fries or something like that. Whatever you can take whatever you want. Until then, until next time, take it to the house.